Inside the world, Wazobia TV on top channel 98 for GoTV. And today we don't carry one when we say when we drop them, it will come up plenty smoke and it go touch plenty people for mind. On Thursdays we they call them the day when we say we they throw our phone lines open as quickly as possible because we go do them like say that they do them for the floor of the House of the National Assembly. My name na Ezo Gochopode, and as usual I know they're alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when Samuel as they concern the political matter as it is hot.
Good morning, our beautiful viewers. Yes, I go say welcome back. I know they here yesterday, and I don't know what team play out here yesterday. But I know say some people give me one or two information on how Chukwudi take run the whole affair. They bring in guests, even bring in woman join. Well, it is accepted. And then the issue they talk about, well, an interesting one, but I guess some areas where we say indirectly or rather directly challenge me. And no, that will not be the issue. Welcome on the program as it is hot. That Obonga political program where they at least they informate now with different political activities. As Chukwudi don't talk, today's no go different from the regulars. We'll give now hot and sizzling on today's matter, so that at least when we open our phone lines, now if it contribute, because then the matter we want to talk about today now very, very sensitive matter where we say if we no really put our own mind, everything into RAM, we know go even see headway into RAM because we need to that's something we need to collectively do it, join hand and support. My name never still change. My name now Unkubi and this is now As It Dey Hot.
On Tuesday for the floor of the House of Senate, one of the Ogbonge senators when they represent her people for inside Lagos, the distinguished Senator Mrs. Oluremi Tinubu, stand up, come rake for all the people when they're inside the House of Senate. They say she spark reach the extent when we say fire, they come out as she they talk. The matter when she talk get to do with the issue when they involve women inside Obodo, Nigeria. She talk say she don't carry recommended glass, watch the budget. Consi say it be like say the promise when we say APC promise Nigerian women say the thing it be like say they don't derail. Make we can't check them now. Before you become woman, you go be picking and you go be girl picking. If women, we know they look after them for this country, according to wetin she talk, based on wetin dey inside budget, what about the condition of the girl picking inside Obodo, Nigeria? Mrs. Oluremi Tinubu talk say she dey speak for Nigerian women. We won't come raise and go another level. We won't speak for Nigerian children, especially the girl picking. As then they face so many things inside Obodo, Nigeria. I go give 4 classic examples and I go like make everybody pay attention so that when we start to discuss this matter, everybody go fit contribute. On the last day of 2015, we get one 19-year-old girl. When we see pictures of the girl on top of social media, she dey inside a plastic bowl. Her brother, they carry her for head. They go to beg for change up and down. And they come put that gist, say that girl get one kind condition when they born am with. And from that small age, and now she don't they do that kind, say they beg for things. Nobody even send them at all. But the viral picture when go around, come make plenty Nigerians talk say no. We're not going to continue like this for inside this our country when we say because of say it's very difficult for some people to feel live their life. We're not going to do anything to help them. He just come out later say one NGO carry the matter for head, say they go give the brother when they carry up and down, you know they go school, scholarship, so that I go get the best of education and they can't give the girl wheelchair. One example, are you with me? Second one, we hear of the small pikin, the 14-year-old girl, and when the student of Wesley Girls School for Yaba, when they talk say they been see her for roadside for night, they said bottled granite and she they do her assignment. The picture of that girl self go viral and plenty people go talk say if things hard reach us for this country when we say the girl papa no dey, im mama dey sell groundnut to survive, the girl come dey sit down by roadside dey sell groundnut for night and she dey do her assignment. People come galvanize, come talk say okay they go raise money for her 2 million naira when we say she go use go school well her mama go do better business to take care of her. That one na the second example. If you check today newspaper for inside the New Telegraph, you go see say dem talk say one officer for Nigeria police they don give am red card and sack letter sake of say him molest one 9-year-old girl. Molest na strong word, I go break am down. He do the girl body somehow when we say nobody suppose do anybody like that. That one na the third one. And the final one when we say they bring tears come people eyes. If we check the past 6 months and the activities of Boko Haram Jaguda people, we go see say those when they use as suicide bombers now small children, most especially young girls. This one not put us for one condition when we say we can't they ask, say what in government go fit do for children, especially girl pikin? What in parents go fit do for children, especially girl pikin? What in we as a people go fit do for children, especially girl pikin? Because if we treat the girl pikin well and she grew up to become better mama, this country done better. Be that.
Yes, Chukwudi, the issues we don't drop down are very sensitive issues, and now something we really call for serious concern. When I mean serious concern, now issues we be say everybody they pray for Pekin, and then once be it a boy or a girl, at least we show this appreciation. So yes, eventually say Pekin come, and then it is our role as parents to do it, to play that role on top of the child, irrespective of the gender where the child belongs to, whether not male or not female. Make we give them that same right where God say make we give them. So okay, this one Pekin, make we raise them up in the way we feel raise them, give them good education, give them good things. We say at least we go fit define them well. There's this popular saying we talk say, look, if you send a male child go school, in the end, your brother say the education go do it, you go favor only one person, which is the male child. But if you send female Pekin go school, say you go favor not just herself, but you go favor everybody where they are around her, because it will also be in mind say the bulk of when it comes to domestic responsibility, we no fit take them away from the women, and we will say they live very very close to their children. They want to ensure say their own Pekin grow up in a way where we say we go make them happy tomorrow. If not, to they teach them 1 + 1. If not, you tell them say go bring that thing, so that they will feel learn. Now waiting a lot of our women they do with this, and now something we say we really call for a collective support, but both from the male side and the feminine from the female side. So we go fit do this to ensure say either of the sex make we give them, ensure say at least we give them the very best.
Very true. It go dey very important make we give them the very very best. But as we discuss this particular issue, it go good make we identify some of the problems, because they talk say before person find solution to a particular issue, he must know wetin the matter be. If we know wetin the matter be, now from there we go come begin the profile say okay, this matter now like this we go fit solve am for make the thing better. E get one particular problem wey be like say na him form the canopy for everything. Now perception based on maybe culture or religion or and maybe politics. People they look say woman. I know they even talk of the girl child now. Woman, that is woman when we say you don't grow, don't get the power to fit decide things by herself. Say somehow it be like say make you no even talk where men they talk. And they talk of negative perception now. Other people now say woman, if you won't even talk, if you won't even be president, if you won't even control anywhere, make it just be kitchen. If you come up from inside there, come begin to talk anyhow, now him be say he don't they do pass himself. If we get this kind of negative perception and it is very very popular for our society, that one a very big problem. We don't identify one particular problem with that. Now if we go and check another problem, like he get one woman when we say that they call Mrs. Tokwe Awe, she get one joint body when we say that they are own about Pekin, especially girl Pekin, because of the kind of abuses when we say that many girls Pekin and they suffer. When we say they get some record, when we say if you check the record, it's very very bad. What about the ones when they no can know at all? When she been they talk about the importance of say make people take care of children, especially girl Pekin. She talk one thing when she talk say if you go for the northern part of the country, say it be like say now 2 things now then they born girls for. Not be it be like say 2 things now then they born girls for. Say one, if you don't reach one age when people say papa look am like farmer, you know how you dey look mango if you want plug am for tree. If the papa look am, you go talk say okay this girl don't ripe for marriage, or if the girl just maybe do one kind say he just want sabi book or anything, they go just tell am say no, say your mate no suppose they go school at all. And this thing dey very very prevalent for the northern part of the country. Although we no talk say there's some other places so, but where it plenty pass according to what she identified by their statistics. Now for the northern part of the country, if we break Nigeria into geopolitical zones, we get southeast, southwest, south, we get northeast, northwest, north central, and 19 states fall under this particular category. 19 of 36 don't show say at least to a considerable degree say somehow there plenty. And if this thing happen for that part, now be saying a serious problem. Now what we go fit do to ensure say this particular problem we solve am? If person don't decide say in one case, say na im own personal craze, Nkubi, I don't make I use you do example so that you go understand.
No, your own personal craze. Don't talk about it. Say
Okay.
your own
I
personal
say if
craze.
person wan craze.
You're like your own craze now.
For example, you like you as you dey like this now.
Like your own craze.
Okay, now.
Say, no, I want to make it talk like Chukwudi craze.
No, you can't say that.
Why
Is
go-
it Oga Chukwudi from Owerri that you are referring to?
No, I'm referring to the Chukwudi sitting right in front of me.
Exactly.
Say Chukwudi,
and
your
he's
own
giving
craze.
an example. Listen to the example.
No, don't. Say your own craze.
Okay, if person
Say, for instance, if I be Chukwudi, I say, my own craze will be Chukwudi.
Okay.
Say, refer.
Okay.
No,
Yeah,
say
as you don't- no, as you
mention
don't use am.
Chukwudi.
Okay, as you don't use
mention
am.
Chukwudi.
No, as you don't use am, I leave
mention
it to
Chukwudi
you.
for that.
As you don't use am, I leave it to you. That
Chukwudi.
thing when you talk now.
Chukwudi.
No, that thing when you talk say you won't do
Chukwudi.
now. If you decide say you won't do am,
Chukwudi.
it's your right because now you just want craze. But based on the fact say I go look you finish, so say for example if you craze, maybe you tear your clothes, you naked.
Chukwudi, please, stop it. You are eating into me. I mean, they pick on me. Yeah, see, please, just go ahead with your examples, but don't emphasize on if you want craze. You are directing the craze to me. I don't want craze. I'm not the person who want craze. I am saying.
But it's an example.
Don't give me the example.
Nkubi, if you get
No,
billions,
please. Okay, good.
you wish good. If like say something they worry you.
Eh?
You no wan collect craze, you wan collect billions. For example,
No, I am. Look. Now
you no wan collect
we dey
craze.
talk
You wan-
about-
Nigerians, can you
We
see?
talk about being positive here. We dey talk about the girl's child's right.
For
We dey talk
example,
about, hold on.
For
We dey talk
example,
about
why you wan
changing-
collect billions? Is an example. You no wan collect craze. For
everybody want better thing.
example. Eh.
I go accept craze in place of billions.
For example, so that
No,
Nigerians go really
I will
understand what I
prefer
mean.
the billions in place of that craze. I don't want your craze.
Okay, Nkubi, if you get billions.
Because if somebody like you they give her craze, no go good.
Okay, Nkubi, if you get billions.
Thank you.
For example.
Thank you.
I will emphasize for example.
Thank you.
For example.
Eh,
Not a
I
thank
will-
me, it's an example.
I will accept it.
Okay, if you get billions, for
But
example.
not just deviate the billions away from
Okay,
me.
no verse. If you get billions, for example, and we know say money they make people misbehave. Let's leave it at that. If you get billions, for example, now, and the money come they make you they misbehave, you can't decide say, based on the misbehavior, you won't block road. Say you just the verse, you won't block road. If you block the road when inside your compound, it's okay for you. But if you block the road, can they affect people? Now him say na problem. What are they try to talk? We say for the northern part of the country, if you talk say, I born pikin, so now my right. If I decide say make the pikin no go school, if I decide say I won't marry him at age 12, nobody get anything. It behooves. I go speak English. I don't the verse. It behooves on the society, especially those where they control the apparatus and apparatchik of the state to ensure say people no go just decide say because of na this thing wey dem wan do na dem go do am. Why e be say e dey very very popular for one part of the country or for different parts of the country say girl pikin no go school,
in a
girl
society
pikin dem go
where
force am to marry quick.
in a
Why?
society where most of our leaders get the same ideology, say okay, people wey come from that part of the place where dem come from no deserve good education, like make we make references to the ladies, the girl child, okay, and then make we talk am Chukwudi hold her in and out. We know say yes.
Abeg wait, before you talk, your talk don dey come from one angle. Not talk say make we talk am. Talk wetin you we don call my name join this your talk because I no know wetin you wan talk. You dey talk say make we talk am.
Make we talk am.
Talk
No,
finish.
make we talk am.
Talk your talk.
Make we talk am. See, we be here one time. You and I here one time. Say the former president, I mean the current president, before he enter power, he make one statement. Where he talk say, look, say he no go get the office of the first lady. Wait, hold on. And then a lot of people come diverse those issues, come expand and come bring them from different angles. Say, oh, so indirectly, what they try to tell us, say, now your own perception they bring into governance. Now your own way you think about yourself, because of say maybe somehow, or now decide where you come from, or now they too appreciate the values of girls. You want to come bring that ideology into a federal power status, a federal level. Say we no go accept them. You understand? Excuse me. So we no go accept them. So that's why I want to I know I'm listening to the ideology they play out, because a person will be saying where they lead us suppose they very neutral in its governance. But then make we still talk and make we enter deep. Because if our president or other person they lead us don't identify some major problems, like a typical example, the IDP camp, where we say he make promises, and we also know very well say this IDP camp, people where they are affected most, now women, say okay, make promise, say things where he go do for them once he don't enter power. It can't be saying now. He don't say he withdraw. Because no matter how the state of the economy be, there's no reason for you to say to neglect the promises we make. You understand? This is like the IDP camp is a case that needs urgent attention, that needs quick solution. Nobody don't come they say extend and say maybe let us hold on. Hold on, we don't know when it will eventually be. So the major thing is make we look, let us question the federal parastatals, the federal level, the presidency, make we know what we really they look out for when it comes to the rights of the girl child. Make we know what they look out for when it comes to giving at least some level of equal rights to the women. Because no doubt, I will talk this one. Under the last administration, we of course Jonathan try. At least to an extent.
Talk again.
No, I'm not going to talk again. I don't talk once.
Talk again.
I don't talk again.
Okay, I know hear what you talk. Can you come again? Pardon.
No, it is your ear. I know some our viewers hear me, and I have the right to just hold on to my word within I talk. Our viewers, they watch us hear within I talk, and I will stick to that one.
Who could be if you won't get billions? Talk that same to when you talk again.
See, you are not my God. You are not my God. It is only my God that can declare if I will have billions or not. So if they take billions, they threaten me. I know what talk am. I know what talk am. Okay, our viewers now hear what I talk. So if the last administration somehow achieved that particular to what I talk, and then come and say under this administration we don't see a slight deviation. Are we going back to? Will they take the issue back? Or will they move forward? These are the things we need to identify and present them before Nigeria, before our leaders, so that we go know what the cost of the chart. You understand? Chukwudi, I know say for instance. You go born picking. If na get, but you no go at least you no go allow your get child to just say you want to give them out for marriage at a tender age. You no go one expect say okay make your picking do all the domestic work where they house where you get boys as well. You no go expect your child to say okay no your education let it hold on make your brothers go first because of say somehow there be men they go feed this thing. You no go fit allow all those ones. I know the same way one no fit allow. You understand? And
you don't talk man. Allow me talk your own now.
No, you cannot talk my own. You cannot talk my own because I don't trust you. We got Stevens. Stevens, they call us from Abuja. I know say Stevens go talk my own and also talk and do it Nigerians. One here. Good morning, Stevens. Stevens, good morning. Stevens, you there?
It be like say network no gree Stephen to making contribution. I beg if you want call us to discuss this matter, just reduce the volume of your television. You don't hear what it will drop. Once you call Chuk for inside this talk, just make them 45 seconds so that you go hit your point because we don't talk and say now only solution now we want to identify on top of all these problems when we say we don't bring out like this. Unkubi, you don't talk well and it is very
I talk well right from time. We get another caller okay. Because if that your angle they bring her from, I don't like him. We get Oga Chukwudi from Owerri. Good morning, Oga Chukwudi.
Good morning, Kubi.
Yes.
Good morning, Chukwudi.
Oga Chukwudi, I greet you.
Yes. Today, all your talk now true.
Is that my talk now?
Not true talk in the talk.
Okay,
today.
Thank you very much. I've always been saying it.
Yes, you're speaking the mind of Nigeria. You see, one thing is very important about the girl child. The girl child has the same right as the male child, the boy child. They are the same thing. A girl child deserves better education like the boy child. Equally, the girl child should be treated the same way. Even in my own tribe, in Igbo land, we believe that when you train a child, you are training a nation because it's even the child that will come back at the end of the day to take care of you better than the man or the male child. So a girl child should be trained equally and also high at the same level with the male child. Secondly, you see, if you for the fact that you have your life, you cannot take your life. An attempt to take your life is a problem to you because once you are caught attempting to take your life, you are in trouble. You'll be kept in a place you can't even take your life again. So what I'm saying in effect is that for the fact that you have a girl child should not mean that you will not determine when the girl child should
define her future, define everything.
You will not determine when the girl child should feed, when she will take her bath. No. The girl deserves the right to do things the way and the manner that suits her according to the direction, not dictation of the father. Thank you and God bless you.
Thank you very, very much.
Thank you very, very much. This your talk go by the direction of say the Pikin gets her own fundamental rights and she get the right to express them. Thank you very much all the way from Owerri. We get Oga Okay, they call us all the way from Calabar. Oga Okay, you there?
Good morning, Mr. Chukwudi.
Good morning, Oga Okay.
Good morning, Nkubi.
Good morning.
I hear say this time around the jerrycan of the permit they complete, Abi. I know say this time around, they must say the permit complete the jerrycans.
No mind anything to this young man with the here they tell now.
Talk, but I mean just better chook my small beg.
Feel free.
My brother, I believe say this change of a thing where we vote in, he follow. I believe he follow. I mean, for our present government to also carry women along because our past government really try. So if they really put hand more or put more effort like our past government do, I believe say woman go get safe for Nigeria. Woman go also believe say they don't ripe to come out rub shoulder women rub because waiting at they see for with Nigeria today, they see they get that mentality say where woman belong now kitchen to do all this domestic work. No, as me they see now, some women they wiser than men. Some women they out to work to take this our country to the destination, that place where we believe say now where our country supposed belong. So by so doing, I mean our present government now, if they can at least try as much as possible where past government try, I believe say women go there happy and that agenda of change, I believe say if follow for waiting they really vote in for. Thank you. God will bless you.
Thank you very much for this your important contribution. We really appreciate them well. Stevens from Abuja, they call us back and we hope say this time around the thing will connect. Oga Stevens, welcome back to Aside Hot.
Oga Stevens, good morning. I beg, Oga Stevens, if you
I said you go change location,
make
so
you change your location exactly.
You call us and contribute for the inside this matter. Oga Oke and Oga Chukudi identify two very important things. The right of the child, say, as person when get her own rights too, she fit do anything when she want do. No be our own decision to make. Although as parents, or as people when they lead the children for society.
Guide do they guide.
Exactly. Although you know go if the pikin talk say he won't do things when you know say they very
bad. Exactly.
You fit compel the child to do wetin dey right. Perhaps until the person attain adulthood. When we say go talk say if he dey responsible for his actions. But it dey very important say make we know they force down, especially the negative ones on top of the pikin. If pikin when be 13, 14, you talk say based on una culture or the fact say some of the practice for una religion accept am, say make she marry this person. Na time na part of the craze when they talk say you fit decide say you want craze, but government must do their best. Society must do their best to uphold certain values to make her know say we hold certain people very very important for our society. If we get society when we say even though man don't read all the whole book when he don't read, meet different people, travel go different places, he still they come back they talk say woman na somebody when we say he suppose they talk, he not suppose they show face for public, he not suppose they say anything. What about the pikin when we say na girl? And we don't identify 4 of these major problems. I highlight 4 things. The pikin when they're born with birth defect, when we say in brother they carry am inside plastic bongo bag. If this kind of pikin by no fault of hers they're born with this kind of condition, what in government, what in society do for this pikin? Number 2, the one when we say
for when they sell market for night
under street light.
It's under street light. They determine to say yes. No, this education will not pass me
exactly.
by. I will have to do my assignment because in the first place, assignment, if you say the teacher will be in charge of that particular subject, and one kind of teacher will say, hey, you know they agree. If you don't do it, you go beat you. And the one say, no, this thing I have to do it. Condom under light, under street light. Where should they sell market for night?
Very true. Now the question we go ask now say, if person na orphan or if she don't lose her papa, na crime say her mama no go fit do things when we say go fit provide for the family. When we say by that time of the night the girl go dey house they sleep or she go dey do her assignment. Must she also join in the hustle to sell groundnut under street light for night so that her mama go fit augment wetin she dey do to survive. That one na second one. Then the one when we say if they touch people pass now, girls when we say maybe by no fault of theirs they no fit protect themselves. Say the police officer old man when assault 9-year-old girl. Sometimes another problem when they stand for this we say the children they're very very young to protect themselves. Number 2, they no go even fit tell anybody because of maybe the way when they treat him mama, in papa they treat him mama, he no like him. What about waiting me I go come talk. Go collect Chike all the way from Enugu. Oga Chike, welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning, Chike. Chike, good morning.
Chike, you there? We will continue our discussion. They go.
Chukudi, just as John talk, basically, see, as I did now, make also look from this angle. As I did now, if okay, Stevens, they call us back. Stevens, good morning. I hope you go get us through this time around. Good morning, Stevens.
Good morning, Unkubi. Good morning, Chukudi.
I agree to you, Stevens.
How was your day?
Fine. They go fine.
Yes. This is a very, very important issue. But you can see, as you can see, Nigeria is a country whereby the girl privilege is underemphasized. Are you getting me? And in the aspect that Nigeria is a country whereby they don't recognize the interest or the contribution of the girl children. You see, at a point, I remembered vividly in my family whereby all the right is being given to the men. But I'm telling you today that the breadwinner of that family is the female child, which is our firstborn. You see, Nigeria is a country whereby they recognize the men more than the female, most especially in the north side. Are you getting me? Most especially in the north side. They don't show value to give the female child a good education to become something in life. You see, in the aspect that sometimes you see that they will be thinking, after giving this student a good education, they will go out and marry. There's nothing she's going to contribute to the family. You see? So at that, it has really affected the children. To add it all, you see, the Bible says, train up a child the way he should go, so that when he grows, he will not depart from it. So you will see that the responsibility still go to the parent. And the Bible did not emphasize whether be it a girl or a boy, a female. You understand? He said you should train up the child the way he should go, so that when he grows, he will not depart from it. What is that to say? It is the way you lay the foundation of that child. In future, the child becomes. Are you getting me? Another contribution I really want to add is that with what is happening in Nigeria, the way things are going concerning the female child, everywhere you hear that they molest the female child, they rape them. You see, I want to see that I am beginning to see that Nigeria should form a law whereby any adult man, any irresponsible man that go and misbehave or rape any girl, the penalty should be death by sentence. I think we
very
give
strong solution to the major problem with our girl children and they face when you don't drop. So we really appreciate them. We get Patience. She they call us all the way from Makurdi. Patience, welcome to our city hot.
Good morning, Chukwudi.
Good morning, Patience.
Okay, good morning.
Good morning.
This one line I've been trying, and the thing not the click.
No verse,
Thank
now
God say you don't go
hot cake, but
through.
we thank God say you don't connect us today.
Yes. You see, the problem of this girl child, now from home they start. Some of us, we the parents, we need to value our female child. If you don't value her, how you think say outside I go value her? I go one house, they share food. The female wants senior the male child. The parents of that children say the male child will take food before the female child. I asked them why. He said, the woman will come out, the boy will still remain. But when you look around today, you will see that female child are helping the parents more than the male child. Even as you get girlfriend, when your mama does for village, when your girlfriend come, you go first give her money, no go think about your mama. But the female children.
I'm
a pastor.
Right on.
Okay, the pastor. Thank you. So, but the female child, wherever they are, go to homes where their female child are working abroad. You go not say, now woman, they do better thing for their papa. So, they use this opportunity. They tell our Nigerian men, for example, I follow, because they did not allow me to go to school. My papa said if I go to school, now they train me for my husband as of that time now. But this present time, but even as I marry, I can't get husband where allow me to further my education. They still benefit. I can understand. So when a woman they chop, if they look back, see if I send this 1 naira now, waiting my children go chop. Go to hotels where they for wherever you go. How many women you see the chop or mama put? But then first of all, think about the husband, think about the children, think about the family. If a woman can manage her home very well, what stop a woman from managing the state? What stop a woman from becoming a president? Because they don't want women, because women are not corrupt. I don't say corrupt ones are not, but they are few.
You have
spoken like a patient woman.
And this one where you don't talk now, and the one when go lead us enter inside the break when we they go to. And when we go this break, come back, we go analyze all this talk when we say you don't drop down and the kind of questions where you don't raise. Not go anywhere. Now Wazobia TV, Anna as it a hot.
Chukwudi, you hear what you. No, you expose. You mention your name.
Under
you mention your name.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make you sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.